The word for youth in Italian, as in the period between childhood and adulthood, or the state of being young, is
Giovinezza,
feminine, plural.
giovinezze,
It derives from the adjective
giovane,
meaning young.
giovinezza.
Giovinezza does not mean youth in the sense of a young person.
Un giovane. La prima giovinezza,
Literally, the first youth is how you would say early youth, whereas
la seconda giovinezza,
literally, the second youth, is a humorous expression denoting the renewal of youthful enthusiasm and energy in an older person.
la giovinezza è fugace.
Youth is fleeting. When an older person recounts their life story to somebody else, they might use the expressions
Nella mia giovinezza,
in my youth,
per tutta la mia giovinezza.
throughout my youth. Giovinezza can also be used figuratively to describe a person's youthful character, even if they're no longer young themselves. For example,
Giovinezza di spirito.
means youthfulness of spirit. A common synonym in Italian is
Gioventù.
which can refer not only to the period of time between childhood and adulthood, but also young people in general. When denoting the latter, it's always accompanied by the definite article la,
La gioventù.
the youth.
In gioventù non avevamo i cellulari.
In our youth, we didn't have cell phones. Did you know that? One of Italy's most famous soccer clubs
Juventus.
takes its name from the Latin Juventus, which means gioventù.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.